Well, St. Patrick's my uncle who lives in South Boston.
There are all kinds of answers to the question, who is St. Patrick?
He's Irish.
In search of the truth, we travel to Patrick country in Northern Ireland, where the patron saint is said to be buried. Since his death, believed to be on March 17th, almost 2,000 years ago, the myth of the man who brought Christianity to Ireland has grown.
And we claim to be the descendants of a young prince who was given to St. Patrick in 432 as a guide to take him around the island.
David Norris is a senator in Dublin.
Senator, I think that's terribly pompous, don't you?
He says his family has links to Patrick.
Well, I picture him, first of all, as somebody who had not been narrowly Irish.
And historians agree. Patrick was most likely born in Britain.
There's various traditions linking him to different places in Ireland.
You might call this St. Patrick's first cathedral in Saul, Ireland.
It's very difficult to separate the facts from the myths.
Dr. Tim Campbell is director of the St. Patrick Center. Campbell says most likely stories about Patrick have been exaggerated.
He's kind of become much more than the original person that he started off.
A fun-filled holiday in the United States, St. Patrick's Day was a day of strict religious observance in Ireland until the 1970s. Whether fact or fiction, the truth is St. Patrick has become a symbol of Irish culture.